Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Royal Kludge C84. It's a 75% Hall effect magnetic keyboard with an 8000Hz polling rate and rapid trigger support priced around $60. In this video, I'll be reviewing and testing the keyboard to see if a $60 Hall effect gaming keyboard is actually good. Included in the box is the user manual booklet, a Type-A to Type-C cable, a switch and keycap puller, 2 extra magnetic feet to increase the typing angle of the keyboard, 4 extra magnetic switches, and the C84 keyboard, which weighs around 720 grams or 1.5 pounds as it's mostly plastic. Moving on to the design, the keyboard actually has the same 75% layout and design as the original RK84, and even comes with that removable frame for more RGB to shine through. Not only that, there's the Royal Kludge logo on the front as usual, the Type-C connection port located on the right side on the back, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 extra magnetic feet that just snap onto the case to increase the typing angle if needed. Going on to the components, the keycaps are cherry profile double shot PBT with the functions printed on the front for ease of use. The switches are Royal Kludge magnetic switches that come pre-loop and has an actuation range of 0.01 to 3.5 mm. The stabilizers are plate mounted and come pre-loop as well with minimal rattle and even has some extra foam dampeners at the spacebar. The plate is aluminum and is tray mounted for a more stable feel and performance. And as for the Hall effect PCB, it has a north-facing RGB layout and is 2-pin hot swap with support for rapid trigger and has an 8000Hz polling rate. Diving into the teardown to access the other components in the keyboard, the plate is held in place with 6 screws, and with them removed, the plate can be lifted. Then the cable connecting the daughterboard to the PCB can be disconnected for the plate to be removed. As for the plate and PCB, there's a total of 13 screws holding them together. With the screws out, the PCB can be released, and there's just a piece of EVA foam sandwiched in between here to dampen the typing sound. On the topic of sound dampening, there's also a thick piece of sound dampening foam and silicone in the bottom case, as you can see here, to make the keyboard sound fuller. Carrying on to the software, the C84 is compatible with the Royal Kludge web-based driver. This allows you to set different profiles, switch between Windows and Mac, remap all of the layers and keys with the functions listed here, test the key travel, set the actuation point for all of the switches or one by one, enable and configure rapid trigger, set the dead zones and polling rate for the switches, calibrate all of the keys on the keyboard, enable more advanced features like dynamic keystroke, mod tab, toggle, and SOCD for your games, import macros or record new ones, customize the RGB lighting's effects, brightness, speed, and sleep timer, and last but not least, upgrade the firmware and software for the keyboard as well. Going on to the specs and gaming performance, the keyboard has an 8000Hz polling rate and a 64,000Hz per key scan rate that provides a low latency of just 0.125 milliseconds. This makes gaming feel very smooth and snappy, especially in first-person shooters and fast-paced games like Valorant and Marvel Rivals. Honestly, from my testing, the keyboard feels really fast with no lag or latency, and is noticeably faster than a mechanical keyboard with the adjustable actuation range of magnetic switches.
Nice. That's one. Keep touching. Come back here.
Double KO.
As for the typing sound, it has a really clean and deeper clack thanks to the 3 layers of sound dampening mods paired with the preloop switches and stabilizers. Anyway, here is the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Royal Kludge C84. If you love the design of the original RK84, this is an upgraded version with even better gaming performance. Build quality wise, I think it's great for the price and it performs quite well too for a budget Hall effect gaming keyboard. The only downside I see is that the C84 is currently wired only, so you will miss out on the wireless features. But for just $60, I think it's a great budget keyboard. As usual, all the links will be in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Royal Kludge for the keyboard and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.